Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now our next problem is let V be a finite dimensional vector space over the field F. U and W are subspaces of the vector space V over the field F. V over the field F such that V is the direct sum of U and W. If V1 up to Vk is a basis of the vector space of the subspace U and Vk plus 1 up to Vn is a basis of the subspace W, then the union of these two sets containing the elements v1 v2 up to vk plus 1 up to vn is a basis of the vector space v over the field F. Proof: let V be an element of the vector space V over the field F, then V can be written as according to the sum of the subspaces U and W. V can be written as a sum of the two element U and W, for U is an element of the subspace U and W is an element of the subspace W. Since the subspace U is spanned by the element V1 up to Vk, and W is spanned by the element Vk plus 1 up to Vn according to the hypothesis. Therefore, U can be written as a linear combination of the element V1 up to Vk, and W can be written as a linear combination of the element Vk plus 1 up to Vn. Then V is equal to U plus W can be written as a linear combination of the element V1 up to Vk plus Vk plus 1 up to N, the element of the basis of W. That is V is equal to A1 V1 plus A2 V2 up to AK Vk I1 up to K plus a k plus 1 up vk plus 1 up to so on plus a n vn. But the set v1 v2 up to vk plus 1 up to vn span the vector space v over the field F, that is v is an element of the vector space v over the field F, and v is spanned by the element v1 v2 up to vk plus 1 up to vn, which are the element of this set. Now, to check that these elements are v1 up to vn are linearly independent. Now, the linear combination of the element v1 up to vn is equal to 0, such that a1, a2 up to an are the element of the field. That is, each ai's are scalars for I is equal to 1, 2 up to n. Now rearrange, we have a1 v1 plus a2 v2 up to so on plus a k vk is equal to a minus ak plus 1 vk plus 1 minus up to so on minus a n vn. Now the v1 up to vk are the elements of the basis of u, and vk plus 1 up to vn are the elements of the basis of w. Therefore, when according to the condition of the equality, the element this linear combination, the sum of v1 up to vk is an element of u, according that is this is a subspace of this is a basis for the subspace u, and according to the condition of equality, the sum of these element is an element of w, and according to the condition of equality, the sum of these element as well as the sum of these element are equal. That is, these element are common in u and w. That is, the sum of v1 up to vk and vk plus 1 up to vn is an element of u and the intersection of u and w. But according to the hypothesis, the common element in u and the subspace u and w is only a zero vector of the vector space v over the field F, because v is the direct sum of u and w. Therefore, this element the linear combination of this element is equal to the linear combination of this element according to this condition is equal to 0. That is, only 0 is common in these two. That is, this is an element of u, this is an element of w, and these two element is common in U and W, and only the zero element is common in these two in U and W according to the hypothesis. That is, the sum of this V1 up to Vk, the linear combination of V1 up to Vk is equal to 0, as well as the sum of Vk plus 1 up to Vn is also equal to 0. Since V1, V2, Vk, the set consists element V1, V2, Vk of the vector space V over the field F, and the set containing the element Vk plus 1, Vk plus 2 up to Vn are linearly independent sets in the vector space V over the field F, because these two sets are the bases of the vector space V over the field F. Therefore, the linear combination A1 V1 up to AK Vk is equal to 0 implies that according to the condition of linear independent, each scalar A1, A2, AK is equal to 0. That is, this linear combination is equal to 0. And the element minus ak plus 1 v1 minus ak plus 2 v2 vk plus 2 up to so on a and vn is equal to 0, such that vk plus 1 such that minus ak plus vk plus 1 up to vn are linearly independent according to that is, this set is a basis of the vector space V would have created. By definition, this set is linearly independent. That this condition is satisfied only when ak plus 1, ak plus 2 up to an is equal to 0. Thus, the set containing both the elements of the set, the basis set of U and V, that is V1, V2 up to Vk plus 1, Vk plus 2 up to Vn is linearly independent. It is proved that it is linearly independent and span the vector space V over the field F, and it's consequently we can decide that V1 up to Vk plus 1 up to Vn, that is the union of these two set is a basis of the vector space V over the field F.